I split it again, Mom.
Try to do that again. I wish I would have had that on camera. There's one way of trimming the bushes. Wow, that's weird. Yeah, I am Inga and this is Beat. Wow, you got it all over you. That's funny because Mommy Chickie's like, what's going on? And the other one's like spazzing out, running around. Man, that was classic. I wish I would have got it where you fell on your butt.
What are you talking about?
When you went to whack the tree and you slid and fell on your butt in the grass.
I didn't slip.
Yeah, huh? Mommy Chickie, be careful. Nature Boy's doing his nature moves. Hey, don't scare Mommy Chickie. Look, there's the other chicken going spastic. She can see. Mommy Chickie can't see what's going on because of her hair.
Ow!
Oh, he's hurting himself with his homemade nunchucks. Nunchucks, right? That's what they're called. Hey!
Mom, is it bad?
I don't know. Your brother went to go hit the tree. He slid and fell on his butt. It was hilarious.